Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make booleans in Zbrush. First of all, we have to import our model, and the next step is add, in my case, one sphere to make the boolean operation. In this case, we can press append to add a new tool. In this case, we are going to move the sphere to the correct location that I need to make the boolean operation, and press that symbol, which means intersection between this object and our select object. After that, we have to press in the menu of boolean, make boolean mesh. Now we can check that we made a new tool. In that case, it's going to be the tool, the dog without the head. So the dog with the boolean operation done. This is important because we have to keep in mind that we are going to save both projects, our initial object and the object with the boolean operation. We can press Dynamesh to fix a little bit the part of the cut. And if we want to join all in the same polygon, we can press Zeta remeasure, and we already see how the topology looks. And we have to keep in mind that if we have visible objects in our scene when we apply the boolean, we are going to duplicate all the rest of the objects visible in the scene, so we have to keep this in mind. This is an easy thing to fix because we can hide the rest of the objects in our scene, or fix after the boolean, split by parts, and only keep our principal object. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and I expect to translate more of my tutorials in the future, so we'll see in next videos.